Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome, my friends, in Math Adventure. Hello, my dear friends. Hope you are doing well, inshallah. Let's start our session, lesson 1 numbers through 1 million. First part here, expanded form. How can we write any number in expanded form? Note that to write any number in expanded form, you have to express the value of each digit. But before we start, let's remember the periods and how many digits inside each period. Period number 1 here, units. Inside each period, 3 digits. Okay, so the period number 1 is units, period number 2 thousands, period number 3 millions, period number 4 billions. Inside units, we have 3 digits: ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands, we have thousands, 10,000, 100,000. In millions, we have 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. In billions, we have 1 billion, 10 billion, and so on. So here, to write this number in expanded form, okay, start here, this period, for what? Exactly for units. And this period, yes, for thousands. And this period, 3 digits inside it, for millions. And the last one for billion. So when you start to write a number in expanded form, you have to start from the furthest digit on the left. So here, let's write each digit in place value here. I will write 0 in ones, 3 in tens, 6 in hundreds, 2 in thousand, 4 in 10,000, 3 in 100,000, 5 in million, 6 in 10 million. We have 0 in 100 million, and the last one finally 8 billion. So I told you before, when you start, you will start from the furthest digit on the left. The first digit on the left here, 8. So it's 8 billion. What will we do? Think about that. I will write 8 only? No, it's 8 billion, but you will replace the other digit on the right by 0. Exactly. Amazing. You are intelligent. So 1, 2, 3. Be careful with our 0, my friends. And 1, 2, 3. 304 million. 30 here, 4,000. And the last period for units, 30. Plus. Plus what? What's next? When you write the number in expanded form, don't worry, because the number here in order. So after 8 billion from left to right, 100 million. Exactly. Thank you so much. So we have 0 mister here in 100 million. So skip it and go to another digit in 10 million. It's 6 in 10 million. And 6 in 10 million, it's meaning 60. Because 6 in 10, it's meaning 60. But 60 only? No. It's 10 million, so it's 60 million. You write 60 million. Great. Plus. What's next? 5 million. You will write 5 and you will replace all the digit on the right by 0. 5 million. Plus. We finished the period of million. We will go to period of thousand. What's next after 1 million? Sure. 100,000. Great. So I will start from 3 in 100. Its meaning is 300. But it's not only 300. It's 100,000. So you write more 30. Plus, be careful with our 0, my friends. After 300,000, we have 4 and 10,000. 4 and 10, it's meaning 40. But it's not 40. 40? Yes, sure. 40,000. Plus 2,000. Plus, Let's go. We finish this period. The last period for units, we have here 6 in 100. Yes, it will be 600 plus 3 in tens. It's 30. And we have 0 in ones. That's it. Only 230. Now we finished. That's it. Second part here for word form or number name. How can you write a number in word form in number name? That's mean you will write the numbers in letter. So you have to memorize all the numbers in letter, my friends. Let's write here the digits in place value. We have 2 in ones, 3 in tens, 2 in hundreds, 5 in thousand, 7 in 10,000, 6 in 100,000, and 5 in million. By the way, if you want to write any number in word form or in number name, you have to think about the first name and the last name. What that mean, teacher? First name and the last name. Remember this, my friends. For example, here we have what? The first digit here, you will start from the furthest digit on the left. Yes, same expanded form. So here 5 what? We have 5 here, 5 in what? This the first name is 5. You will write 5 a letter like this. But it's 5 what? This is the first name. What is the last name? Yes, sure. Million. So you will write 5 million. Then what's next? 675. Check the first name, 675. And what is the last name? Thousands. So the first name, 675, and the last name, 1000. You will write 600. $75 what? Thousand. And the last period for units. In units, by the way, we have only first name. We didn't have last name because the last name is the same units. You know that it's a first name and the last name is the same here. So you will write 232. 232. Now you finished. So when you write any number in word form, you have to remember first name and last name. Let's go. Hello, my friends, in the third part. Third part here, whole number standard form. How can you write a whole number in standard form? To write a whole number in standard form, you have to write the number using only digits. Only digit. Do you remember the word form? In word form, you have to write the number, you will convert it and write it in letter. But here, you will convert the word form or expanded form only digits. Great. So let's read this question number 3 together. 18 billion, 10 million, 64,512. By the way, you will start from here, 18 billion. So if you will start from billion, that's mean how many periods you have? Yes, sure, you have 4 periods. Great. Period for million and period for billion and million and thousands and units. When you start, you will start from the left to right. So let's write 18 billion. In billion, we have 1 billion and 10 billion. Only here we have 10 billion and 1 billion. So what is next? In order, you know that if you will go to the next period for million, you will start from left to right. Okay, so what's next after 1 billion? Yes, sure, you have 100 million, but you have here 100 million. Let's check. You have 10 million. So you will write 10 million. What about the place of 100 million? Yes, you will put 0. Sure. Okay. So now we have 3 digits. We finished the period of million. And the third period here, 64,000. So this period for 1,000, you have 64,000. First name 64 and the last name 1,000. So don't write it like this because it's wrong. It's not, now it's 640, but he said 64,000. So that means you didn't have here 0 in the place of 100,000. You have to write 0 here. Then the last period, 512. This 4 units, 512. It's very easy, 512. Now let's check it again. 18 billion, 10 million, 64,000. Yes, 512. 512. Let's go to last question here, number 4. This number in expanded form, and you have to write it in a standard form. That means you will collect this number. And let's check it. Here you have 800. Yes, sure, it's 800 million. Why? Because here you have 3 periods. Inside each period you have 3 digits. This period number 1 for units, this for, yes, sure, 4,000, and this 4 million. Thank you so much. And let's go. Plus what? 800 million, then plus 3, sure, 3 million, plus 200,000, plus 2,000, plus 400, plus 10. Let's start from the fourthest digit on the left. It's 800 million. So that means you will write 800 only? No, you will write 8. Then what after 100 million? 10 million. Great. You have here 10 million? No, we have 3 million. So you will write 0 in 10 million and you write 3 in 1 million. So let's go to period of 1,000. Here you have 200,000. Write it 200,000. What's after 100,000? Exactly, you have 10,000. So you have 10,000 here? No, only we have 6,000. So you will write 0, then 6,000. You will write 6 in 1,000. Go ahead. What's next? 400 and 10. That's mean 1 in 10. And there is no ones. You will write 0 in ones. So now you have 803,206,410. That's all for today, my friends, and class is over. Thanks for watching. Bye.